guys, welcome back to another video and if you're at the Huck's World. Today we got my man RK Watch Designs in the building with another bag creation. My man got down on this one. This is something new, something fresh, and definitely something different. Now, the name of the watch face is called RK109 Metallic Design. My man got down on this one. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a unique look. You would think that you would get a digital time considering what the watch face looks like when it's on, but you do not. You get a nice, unique analog watch face with a nice background theme to bring it all together. I thought it looked awesome. But once the watch face is on, I like the style, I like the layout, and I like the unique look of this watch face. Now, what you're going to be greeted with is your digital time over here. It's going to let you know whether you're using 12 hours or 24-hour time. And that's going to be all based off of how you have your format set on your phone. Get a nice PM stamp at the top. It's geared toward fitness, so you get your heart rate, step info, calories burned. You come down, you get your date, of course, the day of the week and the month. Get your battery percentage over here. You get a meter and you get the percentage. And over here, it's going to let you know how much of your goal you have completed with a meter and also with the percentage. I only completed 91%, but I think that is okay. Now, what I also like about this watch face is that it has a gyroscope in it. So when you move your wrist a certain way, it closes all the windows, which looks super awesome. I thought that was definitely something unique added to this watch face that made it really, really stand out. Now, what you can also do with this watch face is you can double tap and you can change the color theme of this watch face as well. You get a few different colors in all, and they all look nice. Again, this video isn't going to do it justice, so you have to check this out for yourself in person. I thought my man got down on this one. We're going to give him 4 thumbs up in the door for the creativity and the design of this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Take care.